Introduction to Microsoft Teams for remote work.
Microsoft Teams is a powerful collaboration platform designed to help remote teams stay connected and productive. With real-time chat, video meetings, file sharing, and task management all in one place, Teams streamlines communication and workflow so distributed groups. Whether you're new to remote work or looking to enhance your team's efficiency, understanding Teams' essential features is the first step.
Seamless communication, chat and channels.
Keep your conversations organized using chats for quick, direct messages and channels for focused discussions by topic or project. Channels group messages, files, and updates, making it easy for everyone to stay informed. Use mentions, reply threads, and reactions to highlight important information and encourage team participation.
Video meetings and calls made simple.
With Teams meetings, let you schedule, join, or host video calls with ease. Share your screen, record sessions for later reference, and use breakout rooms for small group discussions. Meeting notes, in-call chat, and live captions help everyone stay on track, making virtual meetings productive and accessible.
Collaboration with files and integrations.
Share and co-edit files directly within channels using Microsoft 365 integration. Word, Excel, and PowerPoint documents update in real time so everyone works on the latest version. Connect your favorite apps like Planner or OneNote to streamline workflows and keep everything in one centralized platform.
Managing tasks and staying organized.
Stay on top of assignments with the Tasks by Planner and To-Do app. Create task lists, assign responsibilities, and track progress in Teams, right alongside your conversations. Set due dates, reminders, and prioritize your to-do items to keep your team organized and focused on what matters most.
Tips for mastering Teams remotely.
Customize your notifications to avoid information overload, and pin important channels for quick access. Take advantage of status updates to inform teammates of your availability. Explore Teams training resources to deepen your knowledge, and regularly review settings to tailor the app to your workflow for greater efficiency.